مرحبا، كيف حالكم؟ Welcome to New Year and New Week and Happy Sunday. اليوم سوف نبدأ موضوع جديد يتحدث عن أعضاء الجسم أو أجزاء الجسم body parts. Our target today to recognize the new words and then to create sentence using the new words. This is the new words we will learn about. رأس mean head. رأس head. وجه face. Here the difference رأس is head and وجه is face. جسم body جسم. And we will create sentence using these new words about the body parts. أنا this mean عندي have عندي رأس. أنا عندي رأس. أنا عندي وجه face only this area. رأس all your head. أنا عندي have عندي جسم. أنا عندي جسم. أنا عندي رأس. أنا عندي وجه. All these words you will use it in activity and post it in Seesaw. You will find in your slide activity, so you can write the new words and you can draw it. Then you can create sentence like أنا عندي جسم. أنا عندي وجه. Just remember أنا it means I am. أنا I am. I have جسم. I have وجه face. I have رأس. So أنا عندي have and the new three words we learn جسم وجه رأس. Again رأس وجه جسم. And our topic in this unit about أجزاء الجسم. It means body parts. جسم body. Enjoy your learning. Go to your slide and choose your activity. Pick one or more and post it on Seesaw. مع السلامة.